Mr. President,
Mr. Prime Minister.
it's good to talk to you. And before anything else, I want you to know that I'm signing now, as we speak, Israel's official recognition of Somaliland and its right of self-determination. Our friendship is seminal and historic. So I'm very, very happy and I'm very proud of this day, and I want to wish you and the people of Somaliland the very, very best there.
That's a great moment and great historical day. The big five is here. The other group is the chairman of the party and the vice president. And key officials are here. Mr. Prime Minister, I accepted the invitation and I am ready as soon as possible for that arrangement that can be made.
I'm saying thank you, Mr. Netanyahu. Thank you very much.